Yo, we out on a little car camping trip with the homies. I got my brother's 2009 Ford Ranger with a custom-made camper top. That's what I'm gonna be sleeping in tonight. She looking pretty and dirty. My homie Adrian's beautiful Montero. Woo! Look at that thing, man. With the worn winch. She's sitting nice too. She's sitting nice. It's a beauty. And then we got AJ's Xterra. Gotta represent, you know what I'm saying? Gotta represent. And we're here at this beautiful little river spot. We got the tents, the MSR tent, blah blah. The camp-right cot. Ed and his camp-right cot.
Yo, yo.
Quick little walkthrough of a campsite. This is where all the action is gonna happen. Got the hammock boys out here. Alright, I'm gonna get my stuff set up now. Pop this baby up. Give you guys a little tour. Here's the setup. Keep it simple, you know? Got a little platform here I can unfold so I can go. I could sleep too if I really wanted to, but it's a little tight. This thing comes out. This comes out just like that. And then grab this unfolder. And we got a big platform for me to sleep on. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna keep it simple. Just like that. Push her in. Put this back in. Nice and simple. That's what I like. What's sick is I can sit here. This thing comes down and turns into a table. Little hinge there, but just gotta put this leg on. Prop it up, and now I've got a table with a window. That's pretty dope. We got a big boy battery here. That's connected to a solar panel at the top, and then we've got an inverter. And a 12 volt power outlet right here as well. And USB over here as well. I mean, more than enough power for me. Got a light up top. She's working nice. I've silicone sprayed this fabric, so it should be water repellent. Haven't tested it in a downpour yet, but it's very comfortable, very spacious. I can fully stand up as well. Plenty of space. I'm not that tall though, you know what I'm saying? But hella space, bro. It's a hotel in here almost, bro. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Check it out. Where I got most of my bag unpacked. It's basically just my sleeping stuff that I'm gonna inflate and put over here later. Got a little storage space, which is nice. And this beautiful view. Look at that river with that Nissan Xterra. Love it. A little campfire thing over there, a little fire ring. It's a nice little spot we got out here.
Let's go, baby. Trying to avoid the puddles.
Further down the road there's a washout and we're gonna attempt to do a little clearing. Let's go!
All I see is his crotch.
We're in the Montero, baby!
Woo! Did I do that on purpose?
Holy shit!
There you go.
Now we just drag that piece up and drive right up through here.
Yeah.
Or you can bring some, man.
Again!
Oh, don't touch your leg.
Oh shit! Alright, the ATV guys dipped because one guy broke a CV axle. So we're gonna cut some more firewood. We're only here for one night, so I'm taking it easy. Banana, orange, big fat orange, some nuts, some dried cherries. That's it. No cooking, bro. I'm not trying to cook right now. For sure. Some very old trail mix with some dark chocolate. I don't know how old this is, but it should be fine. Yo, shout out to my mom for teaching me how to cut oranges like that. So good. Check this out. We're lit up, baby. Good enough. Good enough for me. Have another one too.
I haven't heard this track in a while.
Okay.
Wow.
Sick. Alright, we got our sleeping pad, sleeping bag, the liner, and the pillow. All I gotta do is get inside that shit, man. We're gonna be cozy tonight. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Alright, we had an eventful day today. I'm gonna slip into this and call it a night. See y'all in the morning. Peace. Good morning. Morning. Packed up most of my stuff and still got a little bit more to clean up, but majority of it is done. Had a good sleep. Wasn't that cold. Sleeping bag was really warm, so I was chilling the whole time. Morning. Yo, fire god already on it. Almost fell a couple times. Holy. Damn. What a beautiful place. Jeez, it's so nice. Okay, we're basically all packed up. Got a good little one-nighter with the homies. Just gonna close this and we'll get going. Hope you guys enjoyed that one and see you in the next one. Lots more trips to come, baby. Woo! Let's go!